100 push-ups a day challenge. How it can transform your health. The 100 push-ups a day challenge can indeed have transformative effects on your health, both physically and mentally. Here shows strength building. Push-ups primarily target the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core muscles. By performing 100 push-ups a day, you're engaging these muscle groups intensely, leading to increased strength and muscle mass over time. Muscle endurance. Push-ups not only build strength but also improve muscle endurance. As you continue with the challenge, you'll find that your ability to perform more push-ups in a single set increases, indicating improved endurance. Improved posture. Stronger chest and shoulder muscles help support better posture, reducing the likelihood of developing rounded shoulders or a hunched back. Calorie burn and fat loss. Push-ups are a compound exercise, meaning they work multiple muscle groups simultaneously, leading to a higher calorie burn. Incorporating push-ups into your daily routine can contribute to fat loss and improved body composition when combined with a balanced diet. Cardiovascular health. While push-ups primarily target muscles, performing them in quick succession can elevate your heart rate, providing cardiovascular benefits similar to low-intensity cardio exercises. Bone health. Weight-bearing exercises like push-ups stimulate bone growth and help maintain bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures later in life. Stress reduction. Exercise, including the challenge of completing 100 push-ups a day, triggers the release of endorphins, neurotransmitters that promote feelings of happiness and reduce stress and anxiety. Discipline and mental toughness. Committing to and completing a daily challenge like this requires discipline and mental fortitude. Over time, you'll develop resilience and a sense of accomplishment, which can positively impact other areas of your life. Improved confidence. As you progress in the challenge and notice physical changes in your body, such as increased muscle definition and strength, you're likely to experience a boost in self-confidence and self-esteem. Establishing a habit of exercise. Engaging in physical activity daily sets a precedent for an active lifestyle. The challenge can serve as a gateway to adopting other healthy habits and routines. It's important to note that while the 100 push-ups a day challenge offers numerous health benefits, it's essential to listen to your body, maintain proper form, and adjust the challenge to suit your fitness level and goals. Additionally, combining the push-up challenge with a balanced diet and other forms of exercise can further enhance its transformative effects on your health.